What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9 JJ Shankles here, back with another review. Today we got the Sokani x21. It's a 21 LED bulb, little pocket handheld light, about the size of your, fits right in the palm of your hand, very small, very lightweight. Here's a Pixel 2 for comparison, so very small, narrow. My phone has a skin, not a case on it, so it's really thin. It's only slightly thinner. If you had a case on your phone, it'd be about the same thickness, I think, as that. All metal body. Overall, I really like it as a small, lightweight, portable light bulb to take wherever, whenever you need it. If you're a run and gun photographer, or you just need to have a lightweight travel bag for setting up your photography equipment very quickly and you don't have time for a huge light source and you're shooting in the dark, you need something small, something portable, something you can carry with you that won't burden you, carry you down. I really like the screen function on the back of this, how it gives you all that you need. The indicator to show what percentage the light is at in brightness levels, and the battery, it shows whether it's full, halfway, or almost dead, and then dead, it'll just turn off for you. I really like that this light goes in single percentage increments all the way from 1 to 100, so you can step it up very lightly. Unlike some other videography lights I have that go only in 5 or 10% increments, this one has very precise increments to step it up to exactly what you want and not over. Let me take it down for filming. You can take this all the way down to 1%, which is a very minimal light source. If you only need slight lighting on the source, you can put something like this in, well, this is a very bright setting, so it's not gonna show up at 1% unless I'm very close to it. But in some situations, you don't want it to be overly harsh and bright. With 21 distinct LED bulbs on there, it's 21 harsh, bright lights on there. But if it comes with this magnetic, let me do that again. It comes with a magnetic diffuser. This is the best feature it has. You just attach it on there, boom. Take it off if you need it like this. If you wanted the diffuser on there, you throw it on there. It diffuses it just a little bit more. It's not great diffusion. It's not as good as a giant softbox, but for a small magnetic attachment like that, you can slide it in your pocket with the diffuser on there, and that's doesn't add any bulk to it. Very great. And the magnet, whether you want it or don't, you can attach it. You can attach it or take it off. These bulbs come in at around 5600 Kelvin, which I really like as a good natural sunlight type look. But if you wanted more of a warm setting, it comes with a diffuser for that. This diffuses the light slightly and takes it down to what they say is around 3200, I think, Kelvin, which is a very warm source. And then you can put the diffuser on top of that. It'll decrease the light that gets out, but it will diffuse it even more with double diffusion and changing the color, if that's the situation you want like that. In the kit, it comes with 12 different colored gels, everything from blues, greens, purples, reds, orange, yellows, every single color you'd want. And with the magnetic diffuser, it makes it very easy to attach and change these out. You just hold it over top, apply the magnetic diffuser, that holds it on top. It's larger, so it's off-centered right now, but the light is entirely covered, and you don't really have to worry about it. You just slap it on there, boom, you're ready. If I need to change it, it's as easy as that to go back to normal light, which is a super great feature, very easy for changing. If you want to set this in your background, I think I'm going to use this a lot in the background of background shots. In a lot of situations, you might want the lighting in the background to light up whatever's on a shelf behind you, but you don't want just a harsh regular light on it. You want to diffuse it with some purple or blue or red or whatever your theme setting would be. That's a super great feature to throw these in there. And they're all pretty good quality gels with consistent color across the whole thing. They're not super large, but it's just large enough to work for this setting. The other feature with this one that I was concerned about is battery life. With it being so small, and it does output quite a bit of light. Let me crank this up all the way. Ooh. Here are a couple brightness tests in a dark room. 1%. 50%. 100%. Now that's a bright light source. At 100%, we turn that back down. But at 100%, You could put it across the room, diffuse that a little bit, even midway. But at full brightness, I got about 45 minutes of light out of it, which was really good. I thought for a small thing, it was good enough for me to set up. And I rarely had it at 100% because 100% is such a harsh, bright light. It does come with a, it does come, on the bottom it does come with a 1/4-inch screw. So you could just screw this onto any sort of cold shoe mount to attach on top of your camera or on top of any sort of rig you have to hold it in place, attach it to a Gorilla Pod maybe to attach a light source onto a pole or a railing nearby. Anywhere you want lighting, this is light enough to be able to attach it to whatever you might need, wherever you might need it. Super great feature. I like how simple it is. It comes with only 3 buttons. There's power. A single press will turn it on and off. A long press will turn on and off the entire system. And then there's a plus and minus, which will increase and decrease the brightness to it. Super great, super simple. I like that it's not an overly frilly thing. Even after 45 minutes of full brightness, it was starting to heat up. It was a little bit warm, I would say, but wasn't hot at all. I don't think there's any risk of it overheating in any situation because this full metal body really diffuses the heat away from the battery, which worked great for me. But let me know in the comments down below if you use a pocket light like this, what sort of usage you get out of it. I think it'll be great to put in a day bag or a lightweight travel bag where I need to just go and I want to have a light, but I don't want to carry a full softbox or a large light panel. It's small, stick it in the pocket. If I don't need it, I turn it off. It's out of sight, out of mind. I don't even know that I'm carrying it most of the time, but I haven't gotten much real travel usage out of it. It's just been small situations where I was actually trying to use it. So I'm really excited to just have it in my bag for if I ever need it, because there's a lot of situations where lighting is so important in videography or photography, whichever you do, and it's great to have a lightweight light source always ready when you need it. So thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my other reviews or tutorials on this channel. Thank you guys for sticking around. Go Toaster out.